Here we have a full spare rib. We're going to be trimming this up into what we call St. Louis style cut. So we have just extra loose meat there. So we have on the back called the skirt, and we'll remove that. The membrane, we'll remove that as well. Trim this up, square it off, make it a nice pretty rectangle. Before you start off, make sure you have a good sharp knife. You got paper towels on a good cutting board that's not going to run around everywhere. This can move, but not too easily. And obviously we have a trash can right next to us that we can throw the junk into. So the first step I want to do when we do this is to turn this over this way. Find the longest bone on the rib, and that's the mark you want to do with a knife, and draw an imaginary line with your knife all the way down the length of the rib. There we go. And a sharp knife does help a lot. So that's off. Now put this aside. We have the skirt, which I mentioned earlier. You put your knife in the middle. Just head. Now, I want to make sure the end part is squared off, or got a nice good right triangle on it. So there's a bone sticking out, so I'm going to cut that bone off. There we go. That's garbage. Now the end here, this is going to cook a different time, so you don't want this as well. You want to turn that off right there. Put that aside. A little extra piece there. A little extra fat on this top right here. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Next, we need to take off the membrane and take off this glove, which we grab a spoon. Put your spoon underneath the bone, pull up the membrane. Now here's where you need your paper towel. Come off pretty easily. There we go. A full spare rib trimmed up to a St. Louis style cut.